for the constitution of the
Mucirithania Vincent Odunga nioikaine ni ya Kenya ingi kumana na matua ma macira maria natua. Umwe wa macira maria natuithania ni guteaniria watho wa kwendekithia kwamurwo kwa arũgamĩrĩri a ithurano na anini ao hindi ya gucokerwo gwa githurano kia upresident, undu umwe na guteaniria mogaruruku maria mendekithitio ni mbunge kuri gatiba ya bururi megie ithurano mwaka muthiru na maria macungiriire mutongoria wa aria ingi thiini wa mbunge ya bururi Aden Duale kuga ni agutengemania ndereti ya kwendekithia migendere yake ithuthurio.
We shall go into the annals of history of this nation as a generation that betrayed the cause of its descendants. And I'm sure we'll never be forgiven for that.
Muthenya wa ira Mucirithania Odunga ni aratugirwo na ngerenwa ya mucirithania wa mwaka guku bururi-ini thiini wa mambura ma gukungwira muthi wa ihoto cia umundu thiini wa thi yothe.
A strong round of applause for Justice Odunga, our jurist of the year.
Thutha wa kwamukira ngerenwa iyo, Odunga uria uratugirwo ni komishoni ya acirithania ya kimabururi ni undu wa wirutiri wake hari guthingata ihoto cia umundu na uma, ni araniire gutigirira watho ni wathingatwo akiuria Kenya othe kunyita itemi.
All of us must respect, uphold and promote the constitution and the constitutional values that we have embraced in the constitution of Kenya 2010.
Augete ona angikorwo wa Kenya amwe manaregana na matua mamwe ma maria natua ni kinyagia gatiba ya bururi ikorwo igithingatwo thiini wa macira mothe.
We have to protect the constitution of this country at all costs. If we lose it, going by the history that this country went through in achieving the current constitution, I shudder to think what will happen.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Aningige wa Nyamu.